Wait lang. May tanong ako. Di ba we don't always feel like sharing the gospel? Right? So, kayo ba guys, what helps you get started in sharing Jesus to others? Ikaw, Jeg.
Remembering my story. Inisip ko lang na kung yun nag-share sa akin before, tinamad siya mag-share, I wouldn't be saved. For me, it's always remembering na the person who I'm talking with, kapag hindi ko na-share sa kanya, I would never know kung masisave ba siya o hindi.
That's nice. How about you, Krish?
For me, I think I'm just reminded of 1 Timothy, how Paul instructed him to train himself in godliness, and how training is discipline. And even if I don't feel like it, that's actually God's command for me. So that's I think the mindset that I have to have, even if I don't feel like sharing the gospel. Go, Josh.
For me, yung love, no? Siyempre, alam mo naman, alipin tayo ng pag-ibig, no? Para sa akin, yung pagmamahal mo sa tao yung nauuna. 'Di ba? Naalala ko nag-share ako ng gospel sa friend ko. Parang nahihiya ako kasi tropa mo siya parang bigla kang magiging spiritual. Sabi ko, bro, sa totoo lang nahihiya ako pero mahal kita. Kaya gusto ko i-share sa iyo 'to. Mapapansin mo mahihiya ako pero mangunguna yung pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Yun yung pinaka nag-push sa akin, yung pagmamahal sa kapwa talaga na galing kay God.
How about you, Sig?
I think sa akin, like when I think about it, all the fears and whatnot, prayer talaga. Like asking God, Lord, fill me. Parang more than I can ever love this person. I think with yung friend ni Diego, like yung mga instances din ni Josh, and even with you, parang I think it all comes down to who loves them most. And that is Jesus Christ. And I think when we start na, Lord, can you help me love this person the way you love this person? I believe God won't withhold that, and He will really let the burden overflow in our hearts that we can't just help but go. So, yung Holy Spirit pa rin talaga yung mag-empower sa atin more than anything. So, yeah, we hope to hear from you guys. Reply or comment down below what helps you get started in sharing Jesus to other people. See you!